Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of action cameras as we explore the upcoming DJI Action 5 Pro. This highly anticipated device is poised to shake up the market with groundbreaking features and impressive specifications. Let's uncover what this technological marvel has in store. The DJI Action series has consistently delivered robust performance, challenging the dominance of GoPro. However, previous models have fallen short in certain key areas, leaving room for improvement. With the Action 5 Pro, DJI aims to rectify these shortcomings and establish a new benchmark for action cameras. Recent leaks and rumors have ignited fervent speculation surrounding the Action 5 Pro. Renowned leaker Eagle Bogdanov dropped a tantalizing teaser hinting at an upcoming DJI product. This cryptic message sent ripples through the tech community, fueling anticipation for a major announcement. Shortly after, another influential figure, Oida LV, added fuel to the fire by confirming the Pro moniker for the upcoming action camera and sharing its FCC Listing ID. The appearance of this FCC listing strongly suggests that the launch is imminent. Drawing inspiration from DJI's successful strategy with the Action 4, which strategically undercut GoPro's release timeline, we anticipate a similar approach for the Action 5 Pro. Industry insiders predict an unveiling in the second week of August, placing DJI in a prime position to capture the attention of adventure enthusiasts and content creators alike. Rumors abound about potential variants of the Action 5, with a base model and a feature-packed Pro version vying for consumer attention. To truly outshine the GoPro Hero 12, the Action 5 Pro must deliver substantial upgrades that set it apart from the competition. A significant leap forward is expected in the camera's sensor department, with whispers of a larger 1-inch sensor similar to the one found in the acclaimed Osmo Pocket 3. This technological advancement could unlock the potential for stunning 5K video capture at up to 60 frames per second, although official confirmation is still awaited. Beyond enhanced video resolution, the larger sensor promises to revolutionize low-light performance. Action cameras have historically struggled to produce high-quality footage in challenging lighting conditions. However, the Osmo Pocket 3 showcased remarkable low-light capabilities thanks to its larger sensor and advanced image processing algorithms. If DJI can replicate this success in the Action 5 Pro, it will undoubtedly be a game-changer for capturing breathtaking footage in any environment. Design-wise, the Action 5 Pro is expected to retain the familiar rugged and compact form factor of its predecessors. The iconic square body and dual touch displays have become synonymous with the Osmo Action series, providing users with intuitive control and easy operation. To truly distinguish itself, DJI may introduce innovative design elements or refinements that enhance ergonomics and durability. One highly anticipated feature is seamless integration with wireless microphones. Previous models have struggled with background noise reduction, often necessitating the use of external microphones for optimal audio quality. If DJI can equip the Action 5 Pro with advanced wireless microphone connectivity, it will be a significant boon for filmmakers and content creators seeking professional-grade audio without the hassle of additional equipment. To compete head-to-head with GoPro, the Action 5 Pro must offer a comprehensive suite of professional-level features. While GoPro has long held the crown for image quality, DJI's relentless focus on addressing overheating issues, a persistent problem for GoPro cameras, positions the Action 5 Pro as a compelling alternative. If DJI delivers on the promised upgrades, it could potentially surpass GoPro in terms of resolution, overall performance, and user experience. The anticipation surrounding the DJI Action 5 Pro is palpable. With its potential to redefine the action camera market, the upcoming release has generated immense excitement among adventure enthusiasts and tech aficionados alike. The question on everyone's lips is whether the Pro tag will truly deliver on its promise and propel DJI to the forefront of the industry. Only time will tell if DJI can dethrone GoPro and claim the coveted title of Action Camera Champion. We eagerly await the official launch of the DJI Action 5 Pro, and we'll be sure to bring you the latest news, in-depth reviews, and comparisons as soon as it becomes available. Stay tuned for more updates on this groundbreaking device. In the meantime, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech content. Hit the bell icon to stay notified of our latest videos. Your support helps us create more informative and engaging content for you. Thank you for watching.